Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to speed up or slow down a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. First of all, we throw a track to our timeline, and right now we have the spinning man right here. Then we do right mouse click on this video and then speed and duration, and then you can decide how much you will increase or decrease the speed of your video. I will show you here in the screen a nice tip for every speed of your video. So if you want to make it 2 times slower, then throw the speed on 50. If you want to make it 4 times slower, then do please 25 and so on. Then also please make it optical flow, so it's a smooth decrease and increase, and then we do OK. And right now, if you can see, we have a smooth decrease of the video. So we make the video slower. And if you can see, it's not smooth because I'm using a 30 frames per second video, but when you're using a 60 FPS video or higher, you will get a very smooth decrease of your video. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.